So everyone's talking about the recession right now in most developed countries. So US, UK, Australia. Let me tell you, recessions are amazing opportunities to buy businesses. Warren Buffett will even tell you that, because whether a business is in a boom market or in a recession or it's just treading water, it's all about differentiation. It's all about a business having a particular USP, unique selling proposition, and going out there and just being better than anybody else in the market. That's how you win in business, and that's how you win when you buy a business through a leveraged buyout where you're using other people's money to fund it. Now, obviously, as interest rates go up, that's going to eat a little bit into your cash flow. So we make sure that when we're modeling the deals and we're analyzing the businesses, we make sure that there's enough headroom, there's enough cash flow cover so that it's really, really safe for you to do the deal. But just remember, when you go out to market as a new business that you've acquired and you're out there into the marketplace, you've got to differentiate.